here. Very good. So here is the microphone activation unlocker. And as I said, I have used this software to help a great many people solve this unlocking issue. All right, whether it's my friends, my family, or even colleagues I meet, some of them have encountered this problem. They told me about it, and I simply say to them, hey, I have this software to help you unlock it. Then I help them unlock it, and after that, they can use their phone for years without any problems. And this software has truly been an excellent companion for me. All right, if I ever have an issue with one of my iPhones or anything else, I can use this software to bypass everything. And this software doesn't just bypass, the lock related to the previous owner. It can also handle iCloud lock, Apple ID lock, and even passcode lock, as well as many other things you can do directly with this software. So it's an all-in-one software. It's kind of like, a doctor for your phone, right? So now I'm going to show you how you can use this software, all right? And I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the unlocking process so you can see just how easy it is to unlock your phone and remove the iPhone lock issue related to the previous owner. All right? So here is the software in question. As you can see, the user interface is really, really simple. So you don't need to be very tech savvy. And I see that some software has a very complicated interface, right? As a result, you have to fumble around a bit. Take your time, isn't that so? But here, it's really, really easy to find your way around. That's why this software is very easy to use. Anyone can use it and do it comfortably at home at any time. Very well. So we have 3 options here. There's the one we're going to cover today. Removing iCloud, the one that's locked to the previous owner. They also have another feature called disabling the camera shutter sound. So if you know, on the latest version of iOS, the feature is that whenever you take a photo, there's always the camera shutter sound. There's no way to disable it, but if you really want to turn it off and you find it annoying or you don't like the camera sound, you can also use this software to remove the sound. So that's one of the features you can use with this software. Very well. But today, we're going to focus on this. So what you have to do is really simple. You just need to click on this activation lock. Then all you have to do is connect your locked iPhone to your PC using the USB cable. Once you're connected, you just need to click on start. And you simply need to read all the warnings first. All right. If you accept all the warnings, you just have to click on accept. Then you can get started. So yes, you just need to connect it. Now I'm going to show you the full demonstration of how this actually works, and you'll see just how easy and fast it is to unlock your iPhone in less than 2 to 3 minutes. All right. So what I'm going to show you here is my old iPhone 7 because, I'm still logged into my old iCloud account and I forgot it. So I had the same activation problem. There you go. I forgot my old iCloud account. So yes, I'm using this software to help me unlock it. As I said, you just need to connect your phone to your PC. All right. And after that, you just have to click on remove iCloud activation lock. Then once you've clicked on that, as I mentioned earlier, you just need to accept. And then simply click on start. This time, we're going to start your phone in recovery mode. And you don't have to do anything. Just let the software start your phone in recovery mode. All right. And after that, you just need to press and follow the on-screen instructions to put your phone into DFU mode. There you go. So just follow the instructions. You see that the software also tells you what to do and how long to wait for the phone to restart and enter DFU mode. So once that's done, okay, you reach this screen where your device will be jailbroken and you don't have to worry, it's perfectly safe. You will still be able to connect to iCloud afterwards. Once the jailbreak is successful, start removing the iCloud activation lock. This time, also restart your phone in recovery mode. This time, you absolutely don't have to do anything. You just need to repeat the same process. All right, once the jailbreak is done, simply put your phone into DFU mode again. So all you have to do is press and hold the power button as well as the home button. If, like me, you're using an iPhone 7 or an older device, you need to follow this step, all right? And now the iCloud activation lock is being removed. So at this point, you don't have to do anything. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So relax, grab a cup of coffee, and let the software do the work for now. You don't need to press any buttons, and once it's done, your phone will restart, and after the reboot, you'll be able to access your phone without any issues. You can see it right here. There you go. The software is updated, and yes, it will take a few minutes to activate iPhone, and bam, it's done. So now I'm connected without any activation lock. That's how easy it is to unlock your iPhone in less than 5 minutes. Alright, you saw it during the demonstration. It's very simple, very fast. There you go, you can just sit back and relax. Alright, and why is this much better than taking it to a phone repair shop? First of all, if you take it to a phone store, it will cost you 2, 3, or even 4 times more. And here, we do it for you. And, you can be sure they won't do something else to your phone. Alright, so it can be quite risky if you take it to a third-party phone shop to have them remove it for you. On one hand, they'll charge you a lot, and on the other hand, they might mishandle your phone or do things without telling you. So you have no idea what's happening behind your back. With this software, you can actually do it quietly at home, anytime and whenever you want. So you don't have to worry. You don't need to wait there at the store. You don't have to, wait 2 or 3 hours just for them to do it and pay a huge amount of money. You can do this comfortably, very easily, and you don't need a lot of technical knowledge to do it. You just have to click a few simple buttons as you saw in the demonstration, and everything is done. You can start using your phone normally again without any problems afterwards. So it's really a very, very powerful and compatible software. So yes, if you want to unlock your phone with this kind of problem, you should really try this software. Go ahead and unlock it. And it also supports the latest version of iOS, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. And it supports up to iOS versions 6 or 7. So even a very, very old device can be unlocked with this software. So this software offers broad compatibility, right? And it's really, really reliable. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I've helped, my friends and family members solve these problems, right? And so far, they haven't had any issues with their phones. They can all connect to iCloud normally without any problem. Everything works perfectly well without any issues. So if you're looking for software that can unlock this without damaging your device and that is safe and reliable throughout its use, you can take a look at this software, MagFone Activation Unlocker. It's the first link in the video description below. Feel free to go check it out. That's all for today, friends. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments and give it a thumbs up if it helps solve your problem. And once again, if you want to check out this MagFone Activation Unlocker, I will leave the first link in the video description below so you can go take a look. So yes, that's all for today, friends. This was GeForce Gaming. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.